Homemaker. Thank you for stopping by. In this video, I would like to show you how I make chin chin, Nigerian chin chin at home. Let's get started. To start with, in a dry bowl, I sift in the flour. It's important to sift in your flour. It helps breaking the molecules and helps your butter mix properly. I'm using all-purpose flour for this, and I'm about to make a large quantity of chin chin. Well sifted now. You can also see the dirty particles I'll be throwing away. I add in 1 tablespoon of baking powder. I add in salt. I grate in half nutmeg. Nutmeg gives this a very good flavor. Half nutmeg grated in. I turn in all the dry ingredients together to mix properly. I add in sugar. The quantity of sugar you're adding is totally dependent on you. You can add in more or add in less depending on your taste buds. I stir in the sugar together with the flour and the other dry ingredients. I'll leave a list of all the ingredients I used for this in the description box. I add in butter. My hands are washed. I crumble in the butter with the flour and the dry ingredients till it becomes like breadcrumbs. So this is how it should look like. Then I'll set it aside. In another bowl, I crack in 4 eggs. Then I whisk it in. And I set it aside. We'll bring back our flour. We'll make a hole in the middle. Pour in the whisked egg. I pour in evaporated milk. Then I mix it in together properly. Then I start kneading with my hands. I transfer it to my work surface and knead it for 2 minutes. We'll transfer the dough back into the bowl, cover it and allow it to rest for 10 minutes. The dough is well rested now. Then we'll go ahead and transfer to the work surface. Place the work surface with flour. It will help stop the dough from sticking. Bring in some dough. Place the rolling pin with some dough as well. So I roll out the dough on all sides. As you're working on this one, please cover the remaining dough so that it doesn't dry out, it doesn't lose moisture. So this is the thickness of my dough. You can use knife or your pizza cutter for the cutting. I prefer to use my pizza cutter. First, I trim the edges. Then I cut it. To be nice, if you maintain the same shapes, this vegetable oil is on medium heat. You can use any oil of your choice. I want to test if this oil is ready. I'll just drop in 1 chin chin. You can see it's not yet ready. The oil is ready now. You can see the chin chin has come up and is sizzling. So I quickly add in this ones. And I quickly turn it to separate it. Please keep an eye on it. I'll allow it to fry for 5 minutes before it gets to the color you want. Take it off from the heat when it's one shade lighter than the color you want, because it will still change in color when it's still hot. So this is ready for me. You can see my chin chin. I'll transfer it into a ready serviette towel. This is it. I'll go ahead and fry the remaining batch. So I've fried all the batches of the chin chin and I transferred them out from the paper towels into an open tray so that it will cool down completely before I pack it. You can store the chin chin in an airtight container and keep on your shelf and enjoy as long as you want. Here are the chin chins that are ready. You can do well to replicate this and let me know in the comment section how it came out for you. Please subscribe to my channel to support the work that I do. You can also like and share this video. It might be of help to someone else. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.